Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Well, today I get to share with you the unboxing of the Love from Lizi August 2018 card kit. This is a beautiful kit. I believe it's called Super Shine. So we're just going to take a look. Now, if you're new for the Love from Lizi kits, they come in two packages. You get the main package and then a embellishment bag. And so we're going to start off by taking a look at the main bag. These are your cardstocks this month. You get 2 sheets of black, and then you get 3 sheets of white. And the white are Copic friendly, which is fantastic. These are A2 in size. And now we're going to take a look at the pattern paper. This month's a little bit different. Normally you get 6x6, but these are actually A4 size. So they're a little bit longer than a standard A2 size and a little bit less narrow. But you get 11 of them, and you can see the beautiful patterns here. So you get lots of paper, and they're in beautiful embossed gold and silver tones. And then you also get A4 sheets of vellum. You get 4 of them, and these also have some beautiful gold and silver embossing on them. A lot of fun designs. Now, this is a little bit different for Lizi's card kits, but these are so pretty. I wanted to show you what they do. You get actually a sheet of these, and they create beautiful little bows. All you do is punch them out. They're already die cut for you. I'm going to grab a brad real fast because I want to put it together. So with the bows, you could use a brad. If you don't want to use brads, you could use tape. But you take something that's round, a pen or a pencil, and then you would want to curl up the inside edges of the bow. Really easy to do. And then there's little holes that you punch out. So all you have to do is insert your brad and then attach the left and right side of the bow, and then add the backing. Secure your brad to the back, and you have this beautiful bow that's just gorgeous, and it's perfect size for cards too. And there's actually I believe 8 bows on that sheet. You also get this cut apart sheet. Actually, you don't cut apart, it's die cut sheet that has tags. This one here has some journaling tags, and then you get a full sheet of banners, and these are already pre-scored for you, so all you do is punch them out and score them at the score line, and you have some wonderful little banners. And these are all gold and silver embossed also. Beautiful. Now next you get an A4 size sheet of alphabet stickers. Some of the stickers are gold, some of them are silver, and some are white. They're perfect for customizing sentiments, but you get a sheet of those. And then this is a fun little accent. These are actually mirror tiles, and they're really mirror tiles. If you look at it, it's just like looking in a mirror, but they fit beautifully on this little abstract vellum piece, and I believe there's a pattern paper that matches that too. So it's perfect size for those for accenting on your cards. So you get some of those, and then you get some black Love from Lizi glittered peel-offs. These have a real subtle glitter to them, but they're beautiful. Also in this kit you get a stencil. This is a larger stencil. I believe it's 8x8, but it's a sticky back stencil, so you would carefully lift it up off the backing sheet and place it on your project to do your stenciling. Now there's intricate areas in here, so when you peel it off you want to be really careful because of the detail in there. You don't want them to come apart from the sheet, but you get that. And then now let's take a look at the little goodie bag here. In this month's goodie bag you get some silver dollar embossing powder. This is a Love from Lizi brand, and it is fine silver embossing powder. It's beautiful. I'm actually going to grab both the stamp sets and show you these because I want to do some embossing with it. But this month you get 2, I believe these are 4x4 stamp sets. And you get 1 large image, and then these have a few sentiments on there and a little abstract design. But I'm going to grab the little triangle here. It says love on there, and I'm going to stamp that on a piece of white cardstock. I want to show you what the embossing powder does. Now these stamps are acrylic stamps. They're not photopolymer, so I suggest maybe seasoning them first, maybe with your Versamark pad or with inking it a few times just to season it, since they are rubber stamps. But I added embossing powder to the sentiment. Oh, it didn't say love, it said hello, and it didn't show up, so I'm going to stamp another sentiment. This one says you are a star. I'm going to stamp it off my desk one more time, and then I'm going to go ahead and melt that. But this embossing powder is just gorgeous, and you get a full-size jar of it, and you can see the super shine that's on here. So those are your stamp sets and your embossing powder. Next, you get some Nuvo jewel drops, crystal drops. These are ebony black. And then this is really fun. You get a good size amount of these, and these are like little metal embellishments that have little holes on the very top. So you can string them or just put them in a shaker. These are really fun elements to add to the card, and they coordinate with the papers just beautifully. And they're on the heavy side too. So you get it, and they're metal, gold and silver. You get that. Then you get a sample bag of the Super Shine Sequin Mix here. It has little stars in there with gold and silver sequins. It's real pretty. Now let's take a look at the ribbon. This here is a ribbon that has Celebrate on it. It is so pretty. You might need to pop out the word that's attached to the Celebrate. You'll pop out the positive part of it. That way the negative on the ribbon says Celebrate. I think that's going to be a real fun accent for any cards. And there's 2 Celebrate sentiments. So you get that, and then you get a Happy Birthday ribbon. And I'm sorry about the non-focusing camera. Normally with gold and silver tones on my camera, it has to readjust and refocus an awful lot. So a lot of gold and silver in here. So then you also get a velvet ribbon almost. It's like a warm gray, and then 4 of the smaller ribbons in white, gold, black, and there was one more. I believe it's gray. But these are your dies for this month. You get 3 of them. 2 of them create a present, which is so nice. The present has little stars on there, so you punch those out. You could actually use the stars for embellishing your card also. And then it comes with a little tag. You just place that little bow right on top of your present, and it's the perfect size for cards also. So that's everything in the Love from Lizi August 2018 card kit. Lots of bells and whistles and shimmer and shine. Looking forward to making 10 cards with this. Now next, I also wanted to share today, this is the bumper pack from Love from Lizi's August 2018 card kit. Now this is an add-on, and I'll leave links below for you, but this is the Super Shine bumper pack. It's a mega pack, and there's tons in here. So these are your papers. You get 11 of them, and again they're gold and silver accented, and these are A4 in size, so plenty of paper here. And then you get your 4 sheets of vellum, and these are A4 also. And then you get 2 sticker sheets. These are alphabet sticker sheets that have gold and silver foiling on there. Those are A4 also in size. And now next, what's fun about this little bumper pack is you get some, they're pre-cut die cut elements that create some really fun items. This one here creates a pocket. You just punch it out and fold it at the score lines, and you have an instant pocket. And this pocket is actually great for your card bases because it's the perfect size. And it's also great for gift cards also. So you get that sheet there. You get 2 of them actually. They'll create 4 of your little pockets. And then you also get this little cutout sheet, die cut sheet. It's almost like decoupage actually, because you could layer everything is on that sheet where you can layer it together. This one can create an envelope, or it can also create a gift card holder. And then there's elements that you could place on top of it or inside of it. So that makes it super duper fun. And you get 2 sheets of those. Next you get another banner sheet. This is the same banner sheet that was in the kit. And then this here will create a fun little box. So you just, like I said, I'm going to show you all the decoupage pieces. This one, you just fold at the score lines, and of course you would use your adhesive, strong adhesive. I would suggest maybe score tape to attach the ends together to create your box. But they fold beautifully and they make perfect little gift boxes. And then of course you have the sentiments and the elements that are on that same sheet to decorate it. But that'd be a cute little Christmas box to add some maybe earrings or nice little gifting there. So again, you get 2 of those, and they'll create 4 boxes. And then you get this sheet. Now, at first I wasn't sure what this one did, so we're actually going to make it together. And this creates a little gift bag, and I thought this was so fun. You fold it the score lines, of course, and the bottom of this gift bag is gusseted, which makes it extra fun, and the top portion of it has little holes that you can punch out and add ribbon or string to create your cute little gift bag. Now again, you would use your score tape or your favorite strong adhesive to secure it all together, but I just wanted to show you what these do. The gusseted part is a little bit tricky, but once you get it down, it looks so fantastic. But there it is. It looks like it's your little gift bag. You can see the gusset on the sides and the holes on the top to attach your ribbon. And then you can embellish it with those little diamonds that are on that same sheet. So cute. So you get that, and I believe you get 4 of those. Nope, maybe just 2. Now these are fun too. These are nameplates. You'd punch out the center and of course fold at the score lines. Flip that back piece behind it. And this is actually great to create an interactive card. It folds beautifully. You would just tape it on your project and then take the inside piece and slide it in. And if you wanted to create a tab on the end, it will create a real fun interactive card. Or even a peekaboo card would be fun. So this is a size against an A2 size card base. So it's perfect size for that. And you get 1 sheet of that. And there's lots on there. I believe there's 8. Okay, and then last but not least, you get a sheet of borders. You just punch them out, and these are great accents for all your projects also. So you get that. Now this is the bumper pack that coordinates beautifully with the Love from Lizi August Card Kit. I'll leave links below for both of these items. I think kits are still available if you're interested. Thanks so much for stopping by. Stay tuned for the 10 cards 1 kit, and have a fantastic day, guys. Bye bye.